Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to be able to autofill letters of the alphabet. For example, I can select this cell in my worksheet, I can drag this fill handle down and it will give me the letters of the alphabet. So this functionality isn't available by default in Excel, but it's pretty easy to set it up. Now there is a little bit of setup involved in this, but you only have to do this once. Essentially what you need is the letters of the alphabet in your worksheet. So you could either type the letters into your worksheet like this, or if you don't fancy doing that, you can use this formula. Now I will leave a link in the description of this video to this workbook, so you've got the formula. You can type it out into your worksheet, and then all you have to do is copy the formula down. So if I zoom out a little bit, I can just drag this down to row 26 and I get the letters of the alphabet. Now, if you've used this formula, there is one more step. What you need to do is make sure all those cells are selected, Control C to copy. Then on the Home tab of your ribbon, go to this Paste button and paste values. You can see the little icon for that, a clipboard with 1, 2, 3 on it. Now, if you didn't use the formula and you just typed in the letters, then you won't need that last step of copying and pasting values. So anyway, make sure that those cells are selected. Then you go to the File tab on your ribbon. You go down to Options at the bottom there. Then you go to Advanced. Then you scroll down this list until you see Edit Custom Lists, and it's almost at the bottom. Click that button and you can see that it specifies here the range of cells that you already have selected. All you do is you click on Import and it adds it to the list of custom lists. So if I click on OK there, and then on OK again, if I typed in an A in cell E1, I could drag it down and I get the letters of the alphabet. I could drag it across. I could have lowercase letters. It would still work. Dragging down and dragging across. Now, if you want a more extensive list, where when you get to Z, it then goes to AA, AB, AC, etc., then what you will need is this formula. And again, I'll leave a link in the description of this video to this workbook that contains this formula. So if I zoom out on this worksheet and copy this down, you can see I start to get these double letter entries. So say I wanted A through to Z and then AA through to AZ. So I just need a few more entries. So it's the same steps now to import this into Excel's custom list. I need to make sure that that list is selected. I copy it and I paste values. So with those cells still selected, I then go to File, then to Options, then to Advanced, scroll down my list of advanced options and then go to Edit Custom Lists. I'll delete this one. And in its place, I'm going to import this list. Click on OK. Click on OK again. So if I was in a new sheet and I typed in an A, it can be lowercase a, doesn't have to be uppercase, and I fill this down, you can see that it is indeed working. Now, once you have these lists set up in Excel, they will work in any workbook. So if I created a brand new workbook, you'll see that these lists still work. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.